Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a little experiment. This is my dog. He's extremely fluffy, and at some point I thought, why not try using her fur for felting? This is how much fur I managed to brush out over 2 months. I knew that dog fur doesn't felt as easily as sheep wool. So for this project, I decided to mix it with leftover carded wool and some old thick wool roving. Let's start with the layout. First, a layer of carded wool. Then dog fur. Then roving. And dog fur again. I wet the whole layout with warm, soapy water and gently rub it in. Then I continue layering, another layer of roving, a layer of dog fur, soapy water, roving, dog fur, a final layer of ginger-colored roving. Honestly, the color doesn't really matter. The dog fur completely covers it. I wet this whole sandwich with soapy water. Rub it well through a mesh. And then start felting.
Rubbing using massage tool. Rubbing again.
Rolling.
Rolling in different directions, about 300 times in each direction.
Shaking.
Rubbing. Rolling again.
This wooden tool really helps to compact the fibers.
The process of felting was not easy. I stopped it and then continued the next day.
And then I also give it a good knock on the table. As you can see, quite a bit of dog fur comes out to the surface. Now the sample is finished and rinsed clean. And here's what I learned. Thanks to the sheep wool, everything felted really well. You can't see the sheep wool at all. Only the dog fur is visible. The sample turned out dense, springy, and very fluffy, perfect for a slipper sole. For the upper part of the slippers, I decided to make felt as well. I had lots of wool and felt scraps from previous projects, so I used what I already had. I laid everything out randomly, added soapy water, and felted it the same way as the sole. I won't go into detail here. The process is exactly the same. And this is what I ended up with. To make the sole pattern, I simply traced my foot and added about ½ an inch all the way around. For the upper, I measured the instep and the length I wanted across the top of the foot. I cut the sole from the dog fur felt sample. Getting the upper pattern right took some time. Because of the random layout, it was tricky to cut two pieces that looked balanced. This version worked reasonably well. For the bottom layer, I'm using faux leather so the slippers won't slip on the floor. I finished the edge of the upper with trim. I temporarily attached the layers with carpet tape to make them easier to handle. Added extra felt under the heel. Sewing the trim was probably the hardest part. The sole and the upper were very thick, so I used a special shoemaker's needle. And then bound the entire slipper around the edge. But I'm really happy with the result. These slippers are incredibly soft and warm with soles made from dog fur. Thanks so much for watching.